Sometimes as researchers, we struggle in finding a simple way on how to format our tables. This video is here to teach you just that. It is going to teach you how to format your table using the APA style. So let's say you have this table over here that you want to format it based on the APA style. All you have to do first is to come to the table design. Now at the table design, come to the pen color. Let's pick a pen color first. So for the purposes of this training, choosing the 1.5 points. Okay, so when you pick it, your cursor becomes like this. It becomes like a pen. Now click on anywhere of the lines that you have here. Just select any of the lines and it looks as simple as this. Then you come to the 4-headed arrow that we have over here. You click on it to select the whole table. Now when the whole table is selected, come to the home. At the home, come to the borders. So you click on the drop down arrow against the border here. Then you select all borders first. Now when you are done, it looks like this. When you are done, you go back to the border again. Then you select no border. So in doing for the headings first, select your heading this way. Now after selecting your heading, come to the border. Then you click on the drop down arrow. When you click on the drop down arrow, select the bottom border first. Then we go back to the drop down arrow again. Then we select the top border. It looks as simple and nice as this. Then you come to the last item that you have in the table. You select it this way. Then you go back to the border. Then you click on the drop down arrow and you select the bottom border like this. So this is how your table is going to look like, as simple as ABC. When you are done, highlight and bolding your headings to stand out this way. Then you can give your table a source here. So you can give the table a source. So let's say the source is skill dummy 2022. So that is the source. Then you can also give it a heading. You give it a table name at the top. If you want to know how to insert table names, list of tables and list of figures, watch our other videos on those topics. Thank you for watching.